हेलो फ्रेंड, आपका स्वागत है हाईटेक सिविल फैक्ट में। टुडे वी आर स्टडी द फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ द सॉइल मैकेनिक्स विच इज नाउन एज which is the types of soil and origin of soils. Okay, and the process of formation of soil is known as a petrogenous soil. This question is asked in the SSJs. Okay, and now start. Origin of soil is due to two reasons: first, weathering of rock, and second, decomposition of organic materials. Weathering of rocks, when the weathering of rock and disintegration of soil, inorganic soils, and the example of gravel, sand, silt, and clay. These are all are known as inorganic soil. And decomposition of organic metals. Okay, the soil is known as organic soil, and cumulus soil also known as a cumulus soil. Example is a peat, humus, and mook. Weathering of rock. Weathering of rock is a two types: physical weatherings and chemical weathering. Chemical physical weatherings, due to physical weatherings and make gravel, sand, non-plastic silt. Chemical weathering, due to chemical weathering make a clay, plastic silt, black cotton soil, BCS. Geological cycle of weather making of a soil is first occurring a weathering of the first occurring the weathering, second transportation, third decomposition, and after upheaval of a soil. Types of soils: first, alluvial soil. This kind of soil is formed due to running water and found in the river, near the river. Lacustrine soil, transport due to water, and this is found near the lake. Okay, and marine soil. This kind of soil is found near the sea level, near the sea. Aeoline soil. Aeoline soil is transport due to the wind. Okay, and this is find on the desert. Okay, example of the aeoline soil is the dense sand dune. Lewis is a contain a silt size particle, and sand dune have a particle is the same size. And permeability of sand dune soil is a very high. White ratio is very high compressible and low density. After colluvial soil, transport due to gravitation, and this kind of soil is formed due to gravitational force. Example of talus. Glacier soil, this kind of soil formed due to ice glacier. Example, drift and till. These two glaciers, these two example, drift and till, also asked in more time in exam. Residual soil, also known sedentary soil. Okay, this kind of soil remain on the parent rock when the weathering of the rock is occur, and the soil is remain parent rock, and they do not transfer, and this kind of soil is called residual soil. Okay, example, BCS, laterite soil. Varved clay. Varved clay contain an alternate layer of thin silt and loam. Loam is a mixture of sand, silt, and clay. Okay. Humus is a half decomposite organic soil, and mook contain a fine inorganic soil and organic soil, decomposed organic soil. Peat is a highly decomposed organic soil, and organic soils are also useful for the making of plants. Okay, bentonite soil. This is a form due to volcanic ash, and which are found near the volcanoes, and these are used for drilling purpose. And that kind of soil is bentonite slurry. Black cotton soil. There is a residual soil. Plastic, highly swelling, highly shrinkage. This property are due to the montmorillonites, minerals in the rock, mineral in the clay. And this is a parents rock is a basalt and trap. Basalt and trap are the two types of rock. Okay, and this is a chemically weathered rock. Also nowadays exam in the exam ask black cotton soil is a which kind of the soil, so which is exam answer is a chemically weathered. And force acting on the particles. So normally soil particles have two types of force acting on them. First force is gravitational force, and second is surface force. Gravitational force is the body force which is act due to the own weight of the particle, soil particle, and due to this of mass. And the gravitational force is proportional to mass. Example, weight. It is a predominant in the gravel and sand, because gravel and sand have a more weight. That's why it's act on the gravel and sand. And then surface force, it is a proportional to surface area. Which soil have a more surface area, to then they have a more surface force. Example, cohesion, electrochemical forces. And predominated clay, because clay have a more specific surface area. and two more soil have remained. The laterite soil, which is a red soil, known as a red soil, which is found in the western Ghat of India, and this is a which is occur leaching process occur in the laterite soil, and siliceous material is removed, and iron oxide and aluminum oxide is add into the soil, and due to iron oxide this soil have a red color. Lewis soil, collapsible, also known as a collapsible soil. Okay, and the Lewis have a silt content or mass energy and surface energy both are in the same in the silt particle. Silt particle have a both or same.
तो गाइज अगर आपने इधर तक वीडियो देखा है तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिएगा, जिससे कोई भी आने वाली नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपको ही मिलेगी।